Nature is no less than a miracle. I have spent most of my life in the nature of Himalayas. If you want to feel the joy of being on planet Earth, live close to nature. Be it a yogi, a Mahasiddha, a rishi, or the avatar, Mother Nature nurtures them in her lap. From dhyan to samadhi, from kundalini to mantra, everything is mastered in the lap of nature. Remember my message. Goddess Yogmaya herself is the nature. That's why respect her and be connected to her. Nature has important contribution in realizing Satya, Dharma, humanity, divinity, and to attain Siddhatva. So, live in the lap of nature because nature is the life-giving power.